Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Allan from Tech Gurus. If your WhatsApp account just got banned, don't worry. Today, I'm showing you how to recover it step by step and how to use ChatGPT to write a strong appeal that can get your account reinstated fast. Let's get started. There are two kinds of bans, temporary and permanent. If your account was banned permanently, WhatsApp will show you a message when you try to log in. To recover your account, you need to contact WhatsApp support. Go to their official contact page and choose your platform, Android or iPhone. Open ChatGPT and start typing. Write a polite and professional appeal message to WhatsApp asking to review a banned account. Mention that I believe it was a mistake and I follow all WhatsApp policies. Copy the message from ChatGPT and paste it into the support form. Make sure to include your phone number in international format. Be polite and professional. Never admit to violating terms if you're unsure. Avoid spammy or repeated appeals. Be patient. Response times vary. Let ChatGPT do the hard work, and you just might get your account back. Now, after a few hours, let's go back and check if ChatGPT's appeal worked. And there it is. Whether you got a reply or need to wait a bit longer, remember, patience is key. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.